Okay, we are going to be on page 544, and we are going to be doing the volume of cones. Cone is a three-dimensional figure with one circular base connected by a curved surface to a point called an apex. So this right here, this is the apex. Okay, and then I don't want that color. This down here is the base. Right there, that's circular base. Okay, so the volume of this, we're still gonna do the area of the base, and then we're gonna have that. This is what it was for the cylinder, right? But this, it's not the same. There's one difference in this, and that's how you have less of it. You actually have a third of it now. So all you're doing is taking the formula for the cylinder and you're dividing it by 3. So that's where we get 1/3 times pi r squared h. Okay, and some people like to write it as pi r squared h over 3. Either one of these two will work. So here we go. My radius on this is equal to 3. My height on this is equal to 6, and we're talking inches. So I'm going to take V equals 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3, I'm going to take that times 3 squared, take that times 6, and then I have pi. So 1/3 times 9 times 6 times pi. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. So 3 times 6 pi. So this is going to get me 18 pi inches cubed. And it wants it in terms of pi. So we just leave it like that. Okay. This one right here. Our radius on this is 6 millimeters. Our height on this is 28 millimeters. So volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. I'm going to replace my r with 6 squared times 28 pi. So 1/3 times 36 times 28 pi. Okay, 3 goes into 36 12 times. 12, oops, see, 12 times 28, that's going to get me 336 pi millimeters cubed. Okay, so over here, this is going to say round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so it has the cup has a height of 9 centimeters and it has a diameter of 8 centimeters. Okay, so when I look at that, radius is half of that, so 4 centimeters. So I plug it in. 1/3 pi r squared h. So my radius is 4, so I'm going to square that, times my height, which is 9, and then pi. So 1/3 times 16 times 9 pi. Now, 3 doesn't go into 16, but 3 does go into 9 3 times. So V equals 48 pi centimeters cubed. This one, it tells me I have a radius of 1.5 inches. It tells me I have a height of 9 inches. So V equals 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3 pi, radius is 1.5 squared, h is 9. So 1/3 times 2.25 times 9 pi. Now, 3 does go into 2.25 evenly, but I'm going to actually take it out of the 9. And 2.25 times 3 is going to get me 6.75 pi, and that was, inches cubed. Come on. There we go. Okay.